Hi friends, good evening. Just now I came from office. Yeah, today is a wonderful day. Just I want to meet you, everyone. Again, good evening once again, everyone. So first of all, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. I am Sri. I'm from Hyderabad. Currently, I am staying in Kompally. So this is my house. Just now, who are shooting to here only? Do you know? My daughter is shooting here only. Wonderful section going on. So why you want to communication skill need import as of now? Just now Ram also speaking. Just he indicated to everyone. So we have to learn many things also here only. So consistently you have to practice many things, right? So what I want to explain to yearly. So regularly we have practiced our English communication skills, but we could not speak in front of anyone. That is the main problem we are facing to here only. So this group also making to that's one. So who are the a lot of dots in your mind. So you have to delete that. You have to make the video. You have to practice. Keep going on. That is the main important or language. So I want to say one word also. I have been practicing English since morning, not it since morning. So why could I want to speak English still morning to evening when our enrollment also not it good, but I am speaking. Situation will come, I can speak. Situation will not come, I can create the situation also. That's what I am saying to you, everyone. I could remember to everyone. So don't to your schedule, don't procrastination your schedule. You have to remember different words you have to use. I am also using 5 words also today. So first one is dedication. Dedication is important. Whatever you have to learn, you have to continuously, you have to consistently, gradually you have to practice then only. So next one is devotion. How to pray the God, you have to remember that also. That much time also you have to spend there only. Yeah, one more important point also there. So you have to discipline also important, everyone. So do you have the discipline? I am asking to you, bro. So do you have the discipline? You have to take one target every day. You have to post one video. That is right or wrong, you don't decide that also. So that will be good in future. Now I want to say 5 words. I have completed one: dedication and devotion and discipline and discrimination and dedication, discrimination and discipline. So I forget that word also. Still, I'm also still going and continue that also. So once again repeat to all our friends. So today I want to what is the past tense? I would like to express that past tense. What is the past tense? So I want to you do, had and was. This is the past tense, right? Did you understand clearly? Okay, this is the past tense. So I can give the few words also. So I stand on the chair. I did not stand on the chair. Did I stand the chair? Did not I stand on the chair? I was sitting on the chair. I was not sitting on the chair. Was I sitting on the chair? Was not I sitting on the chair? Okay, this will be understand I think only. So I want to explain one more word also. So I had I had uh, stand on the chair. I had not stand on the chair. Had I stand on the chair? I had not stand on the chair. Did you get one point? So I want to express more things. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. This is my house. My daughter also shooting here. It's a wonderful greener also. So this is a very wonderful place. Did you get my point? Thank you. Thank you for giving me also. Keep going and practice. You have to share one video. I am asking to you and everyone. Thank you. Thank you.